How to make and receive calls on the 3CX desktop app. Internal calls. To make an internal call, simply search for the contact by name, extension number or email address. Then select the phone icon, position next to their name, and your call will be connected. External calls. If you wish to call an external number, use the built-in dial pad to enter their number. This dial pad can be found by selecting the phone icon, placed on the top right of the desktop app, or by selecting the plus icon, then New Call. Incoming calls. Incoming calls are conveniently displayed as a pop-up. Calls will still come through when your desktop app is closed. The pop-up allows you to answer calls, decline calls, or divert to voicemail. Once you are connected, you can easily transfer the call, record the call, or start a conference or video call. Try out these features today on the 3CX desktop app.